Annapolis is still seeing homes going under contract in less than a week and selling at list price or better. It's Friday, April 25th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory rose to 169 homes for sale in Annapolis, and the median time on the market is 42 days. The median sales price for these remains at $699,000 again this week. 33 properties are coming soon. 30 homes went under contract in 7 median days. 20 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 6 days with a median sales price of $750,000. 9 of those sold were in 21401, 11 were in 21403, 8 were in 21409. This lovely home on Duke of Gloucester, built in 1774, sold for $3,400,000. Again, this week, there are 31 homes for lease at $3,000 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 25th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.